Celebrated actor and former chairman of Film and Television Institute of India, Anupam Kher is the recipient of 2 National Film Awards and 8 Filmfare Awards. We all know about his extravagant contributions to the film industry, but he is also a well-known author. Anupam Kher is here with us today to speak about his recently launched book, Your Best Day is Today, along with TNI editorial director Prabhu Chawla and senior journalist Kaveri Bamzai.
Anupam, I wanted to ask you firstly, one of the most interesting things about this book really was the fact that it taught you to come to terms with death, which is something that you said apprehensive of, and you never thought of it, and you always thought that this is your interval and there are many more years to go. Talk a little about how it brought you close to the idea of death.
So, it's not possible to talk about one chapter of it, which is about death, without talking the background of the book. So, in these 36 years that I have been in movies, I have not taken a pause. That is why I have done 517 films and plays, etc., etc. To start with, this was a forced pause or a forced hiatus or whatever you want to call it. And when I came to Mumbai from New York on the 20th of March this year, it appeared to me that it was some kind of a disaster film, or it was some kind of a Will Smith film. This whole thing happened, and then over a period of time, let me be specific about this question, over a period of time, so many people died. We lost so many people, and death became a kind of a numbers rather than an emotion. My own friends, Rishi Kapoor, Irfan Khan, Wajid, so many people. And I used to be petrified of the thought, I'm sure everybody is, one day, as you cross 60, you think, abhi agar mujhe 25 saal rehna hai, kyunki mere father 84 tak the, so I have only 24 years left. Or if I fall sick, the thought of death is very, I think everybody goes through it. I just pronounced it loudly. And I felt that what is death? Death is an end of a physical being. It's a very spiritual thing to say, but the fact that I wrote this chapter, it could not have happened unless I actually experienced it. And I said, I have whatever time I have, I must utilize it. This pause, this break brought me closer to myself. I also felt that in this lockdown and pandemic time, we all meditated. What is meditation? Meditation is noticing your breath.
Right.
And because we had so much time on our hands, we were constantly noticing. We wwere doing a samuhik, pranayam or meditation. And I just felt that it's not important to be afraid of. It's something which is natural, which is get up in the morning, and then that is the beginning of your childhood. Then afternoon happens at the young age, then evening happens, the old age, and the night happens, and that is death. But that doesn't mean that I do not get those thoughts still. It's not that I have not achieved what you call nirvana. About that. But I wanted to put it forward over there. And that is my favorite, one of my favorite subjects and favorite chapters over here. And it could have not been possible without actually going through it. Right. I'm a nervous flyer. And you can be a nervous flyer only because you are scared of death.
Right.
Means any kind of a bump in the flight and I will be petrified. And it's been there. Kiran is also a petrified flyer. But death is something which is eventually going to happen. It is something which is the end of one portion of your life. And then in our philosophy, they said whether it's rebirth or whether it's this thing, to sabko jana hai. So this was something which I felt it's all right, and it took me about 5-6 months to. That chapter was written in the end. It's not that I immediately thought of it.
Right.
When I was with Rishi Kapoor in New York, and he had become absolutely all right. In fact, from cancer, and one day he was talking. He said, "Yaar, jana to hai hi yaar. Kabhi na kabhi to jana hi hai. Dekhi jayegi." Every day is important. हम हर जिंदगी को जी के जीते हैं. तो जो fear है कि जाना है, उस fear से आप जिंदगी जी नहीं पाते हो. So that is the crux of that chapter.
Anupam, I am reading just now, you tweeted something in Hindi yesterday. चलता रहूंगा पथ पर चलने में माहिर हो जाऊंगा, या तो मंजिल मिल जाएगी या अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊंगा। तो आप मुसाफिर,
जी जी,
ये कनेक्शन कहीं है कि डेथ और मुसाफिर के साथ?
नहीं, बिकॉज क्या है कि आई थिंक व्हाट इज ग्रोइंग अप, इट्स वेरी, पीपल डोंट एसोसिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद एक्टर्स और समथिंग। वो कहते हैं कि एक्टर तो हैं, तो मेरा sense of being ambitious is not gone. I am very ambitious. I am still wanting to do lots of things, but I also understand that हर चीज achieve करना जो है ना, हर चीज में गोल डालना, इस पूरे pandemic में, in this whole lockdown, made me understand that what did we get by achieving every day anything. A lot of people must have planned in January that we will go to this place for holidays, or we will earn this. I live in a rented apartment. 7 years back, 7 years back, I decided I don't want to own a property. So in Mumbai, I am where I'm sitting right now is a rented place. I don't have any place. The only place that I have is one house that I bought from my mother in Shimla. Because I felt, क्या करना है मुझे? So I think this is a thing that has happened over a period of time. तो मुसाफिर भी, to me, journey is much more important than destination. तो ये उसका ही कुछ translation है. तो मुसाफिर तो बन ही जाऊंगा, हम हर चीज को महसूस नहीं करते हैं।
No, you are a मुसाफिर even now, ना? You are still traveling.
Yeah, exactly. So मैं destination पे पहुंचूंगा.
You are traveling towards ultimate where you leave your body and you are traveling towards what you have not achieved yet. You want to achieve that, what you call the mandil.
The goals and dreams keep changing, Prabhuji. Goals and dreams. What I was dreamt about something 10 years back, I'm not dreaming the same thing. That's what is called maturity. That's what is called growing up also. आप पिछले जब से pandemic शुरू हुआ, you are doing this. I'm sure it is making a difference in your lives also when you are hearing various people. It's not only a job. It's not only a every day 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock you will meet people and sort of talk about it. I'm sure you have also gone through a process of learning and process of making a difference in your own life. This period has given, that's what the book is about. This period has given us much more. It was high time that we treated this universe or this mother earth in a different manner. हमने तबाही मचाई हुई थी, हमने उत्पात मचाया हुआ था, human beings.
Great leveler.
Yeah, and when I came here initially, मुझे लगा कि इंसान जो हैं वो पिंजरों में अपने घरों में, और मैंने पहली बार मुंबई में I heard कोयल कूकती हुई, मैंने इस सड़क पर कभी कोयल की आवाज, पक्षियों की आवाज कभी सुनी नहीं है. So I think I'm also an eternal optimist. I cannot that's what you learn over a period of time. So being an eternal optimist, you only look for what is there for me and what is good for me. Now there is no end to depression. When I went to a psychiatrist about 4 years back, I think 6 years back, because I was going through a depression. I didn't even know that I was depressed. I went to my eye doctor, and my eye doctor, I told him, Doctor Saab, I can't sleep. I'm insomniac. I have tried Restil. I have tried other tablets, melatonin, etc. I can't sleep. So he heard me, and I said, can you give me some medicine so that my eyes, which are dried up, so that they become a little moisty, because I have to face these lights. So he told me, Mr. Kher, I don't think you need an eye doctor. You need a psychiatrist. So I laughed my guts out, because I am this motivational speaker all over the world, and I had just finished my first book. The best thing about you is you, and it had become bestseller. तो मैंने कहा आप क्या बातें कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब, मैं तो डिप्रेस हो ही नहीं सकता. इसलिए आप उनको मिल लीजिए, मेरे एक दोस्त हैं डॉक्टर विशाल सावंत. आप just go and meet him, chat, and you don't want to meet him in his clinic, call him over to his house or meet him in the lobby. I can fix up, or you can come to my clinic. I said, no, I have I don't want to hide anything about if this is, but I was laughing. So next day I took my book, This Best Thing About You, is a copy, and very cockily went to his clinic. His clinic was, there were 5-6 different doctors, psychiatrist, ear doctor, eye doctor, some other doctor, dentist, और बीच में लॉबी में लोग बैठते थे. तो मैं सब गया तो सब लोग मेरे को देखने लगे. तो फिजिकली मैं बीमार नहीं लग रहा था. तो उन्होंने कहा किधर, साइकियाट्रिस्ट की तरफ इशारा किया, मैंने कहा उधर. So we were having this silent conversation and they took selfies, etc. And then I was called in. There was this nice 45-year-old, very pleasant doctor, Dr. Vishal Sawant. And before he could say anything, I told him, Dr. Saab, tell me your problems. The book in my hand, which I kept in my hand. So he started telling me about his problems. He said, I told him, okay, solve this like this. Then for 1 hour, I was always only solving his problems. Well, I said, now take this big book with you and this is my number. Call me when you have problems. When I was leaving, he started writing something on his pad. So I said, what are you writing? He said, your medication. He said, you're manic depressive. So I said, Acha? Sorry. Yeah, he said, your optimism, your positivity, you push everything back because you want to say life is beautiful, life is beautiful. Confront it. I was on medication for about 6 months on this, and then I quit medication because I started talking about it. I spoke about it. So I think if you go headlong with problems, it's always very, very beneficial. Even when I went bankrupt during the peak of my career as an actor in 2004, because I wanted to be this TV tycoon like Mr. Bachchan, TBCL, I discovered that I don't have any money. This is why
Bachchan also went bankrupt on that.
Sorry?
TBCL also went bankrupt at the point.
Exactly. मेरा पूरा जो play है कुछ भी हो सकता है वो उसी पर है. मुझे लगता है कि as a person, if you become a little more aware and a little more maturer, that's a bigger success than winning so many things and earning so many things, etc., etc. That's the beauty of being confronting your own fears.
No, Anupam, I want to ask you one question. Drama and the books you have written. I have not written fully on most of the books, but I heard a little bit about it. Is it something to do with your own personal life, or it is just imagination?
No book of mine has anything to do with imagination, because I'm not basically a writer. I think in Hindi. मैंने तो अंग्रेजी बोलना बॉम्बे में आके सीखा है. One of my uncles, who was the only graduate in our whole family.
When you wrote about the drama, that कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, that was. We hired writers. We hired writers for that. But the book that came out as an autobiography, that was written by me.
So क्या हो गया था ऐसे आपके लाइफ में जो आपको लगा कि you have to do something? Anything which has just happened? कुछ भी हो गया?
Play I wrote. Play I did in 2005, the first show. On the 8th of August 2005, because when I went bankrupt, I said I must earn money. तो मैं पैसे कहाँ से लाऊंगा? मेरे बैंक में सिर्फ 5,000 रुपए थे और ऑफिस भी गिरवी था और पैसा तो कमाऊं. So when this Hay House told me to write this thing, मैंने जितना भी टेप किया, discovered that I'm only talking about my failures and laughing at them. That play, which is based on my failures and disasters and shortcomings, became the biggest hit and money earner of my play. And after doing that play for 15 years, I decided to write a book about it. So now the book is a little bigger version of it. I can describe the sunset and the sunrise in India, Shimla, or my visits to Kashmir, etc., etc. This book came from within. I was not planning to write this book. मुझे बहुत सख्त इसका एहसास हुआ कि मुझे लिखना चाहिए जो मैं महसूस कर रहा हूँ. And that is why it is a chronicle of my journey, right from New York till every day what I was doing every single day, because also it gave me time. मैंने कभी ऐसा वक्त गुजारा ही नहीं था कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. So I was doing this double roll videos where Bittu was talking to Anupam. Yeah, and where there is a picture of our 10th standard students. And there are 57 boys in that. I almost called up 39 of them. So we reconnect with them.
Right.
So it was so many things which we had not done. I did that and I was enjoying myself. And I thought it was important to convey to the world what I feel and what this pandemic and this lockdown has taught us.
What is the target audience of your literature, biographical literature which you write?
These are self-help books. My book today, I'm very happy to announce that my book is already on #1 in the movers and shakers in Amazon. And my autobiography is #2. So it's obviously connecting with something. Also, people are going through insecurities. people are going through self-doubt. When somebody known talks about his doubts and his failures or his fears, then people identify with that. When I was a struggling actor in Bombay, I used to read autobiographies. And one of my favorite autobiographies was Chaplin's My Story. And that gave me, I said, यार Chaplin के हाथ ये हो सकता है और उसके बाद तो कुछ बन गया था तो मेरा भी कुछ होगा. So the idea is, and there are a lot of people today who are looking for a so-called perception of a successful person going through the same thing what they're going through.
Yeah.
My mother, my brother and my bhabhi and my niece, they all went through this COVID positive. There's a big chapter on that, what actually happened when we discovered that mom is actually COVID positive. We had taken her for another thing to this MRI center. We had taken her for a cyst near her liver, which was becoming big and she was not eating. And MRI से बाहर जब आई तो डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि cyst जो है वो तो benign है, मगर आपकी मदर को COVID हो गया है. This was the first time my mother had gone out of our house. She thought she was going for a drive. Me and my brother. So when he said that, I immediately told my brother, I think we need to get our test done. So my brother went into MRI machine and then I went to, and my brother came positive also and I came negative. Then this whole thing to take my mother to the hospital, what they must have gone through, what the patient must have, the social distancing of somebody who is going through corona, how people sort of run away from those people. So those things are there in this book. And also then I took a sabbatical from social media when I was shooting for a film called
The Last Show.
The Last Show. मैंने डिसाइड किया ये डिफिकल्ट फिल्म है, मुझे इसमें थोड़ा मैंने 7 साल में कभी सोशल मीडिया से ब्रेक ही नहीं लिया था. मैंने ब्रेक लिया एंड आई सडनली फेल्ट लिबरेटेड. मुझे लगता था मैं रात को उठ के देखता था कि 16 मिलियन से 17 मिलियन हो गए कि नहीं हो गए, कितने लोगों ने इसमें जवाब दिया, कितने ने उठ के देखते थे. एंड आई रियलाइज दैट आई हैव नॉट फॉर 18 days I did not touch the social media or my WhatsApp kind of a thing. So when these are the things which give you strength as a human being. यार मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं मोहताज नहीं हूँ किसी चीज का. मैंने वर्कआउट किया. I am 3 kilos thinner than more fitter, I think. That's what I kept doing. I picked up machines and weights from shops and other places. So I was regularly, what I used to do in drama school, our teacher, Mr. Alkaji, used to say, make a schedule for yourself.
Right.
Even when you are not doing anything, उसमें भी लिखो 11 से 12 बजे तक कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, 12 से 1 बजे तक पंखे को देख रहा हूँ, 1 बजे से 2 बजे तक खाना खा रहा हूँ, 3 से लेकर 5 तक मैं पैर खुजा रहा हूँ. मतलब लिखते.
तो बट आपके गोल्स और एम्बिशंस आप कह रहे थे कि काफी चेंज हो गए. In terms of your work, कुछ बदला है? Have you decided to slow down or do different kinds of cinema?
Slow down तो मैंने कर लिया था. Part of that slow down was that I decided to go to do New Amsterdam in New York.
जी.
Instead of having 20 releases in a year, I started having 5 releases, 2 releases, 1 release. And also I opened a school. I spent time there. I started writing. That also takes my time. But I like to be known. I like to be happening.
Confession. Good confession.
Yeah. I like to be photographed. I like people telling me Anupam Kher ja raha hai.
Basically, you are an attention seeker.
I'm a people's person. We are all attention seekers.
Yes, yeah. But you are expressing it, no? You are expressing it quite loudly.
I think we are all. I am a people-loving person.
Right.
I am more interested. I've started listening to others also. We are all running fast nowhere in our lives. But now it's, I think, much more. I know slowly I'm going somewhere. But my ambition is always wanting to do some great role. This last show that we did is, I think, going to be an interesting film. The next film that I'm going is going to be an interesting film. I am writing something more about things like that. So there is happening. But yes, I'm not doing so many films one after the other.
So, Anupam, as you said, that your books, your literature is all about you and yourself. And
no,
you're saying that
it's not about me and myself.
Well,
it is
experience
about
you went through.
People. It's about life, it's about people, and it's about how I perceive life.
Yeah, correct. Through your eyes and whatever you want to
because
see.
Because by nature नहीं हूँ मैं writer.
So what I'm saying is, then since you said you are a people's person and you want attention, so I'm a little surprised that your political leanings are quite obvious. So why you're not gone straight into politics rather than going indirect way of being on the periphery, still supporting? I won't call you a Bhakt, but I'll call you a nationalist, with a better definition of a Bhakt.
I don't even actually understand these. You are a much learned person. You are dealing with, you are an editor and things, both of you. So you know the difference between what is this. I don't look at it from that point of view. And last time also when we had this chat, you constantly insisted that why am I not going into politics? You seem to be wanting a job of my manager of campaigning.
No, Anupam, because this time you reflect that you are a people person. Last time you did not admit.
Politics is not only
people. Is basically a politician. Most of the politicians think they are people person.
No, that's not true at all. People person can be anybody. People person can be without wanting to be a politician. I am a people's person. That's why I'm on the second. Kaveri has been calling up Herman, and this is the part of that thing.
Correct.
I know that you will think that this is also promotion of the book, but
no, I know. If that was the case, we would not have been calling you for promotion. Promotion. We are calling you because you are Anupam Kher.
No, you are calling me because you have faith in me. Faith in me as a person, not faith in me as a
best thing about you is you. Best thing about you is you.
Exactly. And best thing about all of us is ourselves.
Anupamji, you said something very interesting. You said that, you've started listening also. Do you think that at some point, especially when one becomes famous, one gets distanced from reality, one stops listening, one loves the sound of one's conversation so much that you forget to listen?
No, I don't think it has anything to do with a profession or something like that. We are running, we are doing things, this is what life is all about, what life teaches you. You sometimes sort of become impatient. You sometimes become, you're not wanting to listen. You have a point of view. You want to convey your point of view strongly. And sometimes when a thing like this happens, if the lockdown has not made a difference in your life, then there is something wrong with you.
I agree.
If it has not, and either it must have made some people bitter and frustrated. Of course, there are issues about people's jobs going, etc., etc. But it made me a difference that it's also important to listen. I was in America. There was an organization called Listen. We don't have. I was always been close to my mother, but there are a lot of people now said that we actually listen to our parents. We actually listen to our stories. Mothers started listening to their children. Otherwise, तो पकड़ा देते ना ये TV remote, मैं जरा काम करके आती हूँ और keep this mobile phone, etc., etc. But there was a total communication gap between the people, families, members over there itself. So अगर आप में बदलाव नहीं आया है, तो फिर तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है ना. तो listen का मतलब ये है कि मैं पहले भी सुनता था, but पहले I was only working and doing acting and sometimes wanting my point of view to get through. And then you start, when something like this happens, you actually understand the meaning of silence. You also understand the meaning of wanting to understand what the other person is saying or the other person's point of view is.
Anupamji, you also went back to New York after the book was written and you've come back again. Was there a difference that you saw in what has now become your adopted home?
Yes, there was a difference, major difference. In fact, because I was here for 9 months, I was at peace with myself, strangely. Even though I was not working, which I was so used to. But slowly, I became peaceful with my own self. And then I told my friend, मेरा जाने का दिल नहीं कर रहा इस बार. I was very excited when I last time went. मेरा जाने का दिल नहीं कर रहा. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने सिर्फ एक फिल्म की थी इसमें लॉकडाउन में जो 25 दिन में खत्म हो गई थी. The last show.
वो फिल्म क्या है? Can you talk about it?
It's about 2 Nautanki actors settled in Bhopal, which is me, Satish Kaushik, and which have not done a work for the last 30 years.
Okay.
And they have their own issues about life. So it will revive also the form of Nautanki. which is a very famous folk form in Uttar Pradesh and other parts of the world. And it's a human story. It's also very funny. And how there is this guy, this young guy from Bombay, who is wanting to make a documentary about this folk form, and he finds these two different actors, and how he wants to bring them together, and then what happens, and then what they perform.
Yeah. So we were sorry. We were.
So when I went back to, it was not the same New York which I had lived for 2 years. Silence, less of police siren and ambulance, also less. People were scared. Half the New York, I was told, that has gone out of New York. Some people have gone to Connecticut. Some people have gone to Austin, etc. The restaurants were only functioning outside the restaurant, which was on the road. The joy of going to theaters over there. I was straight very close to Lincoln Center. The joy of going to cinema halls, or just walking. Shops were barricaded with those wooden planks. So it was not the same place. And so I felt that मैं एक joy के लिए यहाँ आया था और creativity के लिए आया था. अगर वही नहीं है तो फिर क्या, फिर तो मैं अपने आप को force कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे आने के लिए. So we had Thanksgiving holidays, and I was also going to do this Kashmir Files. So I've come back, but I'm not so keen now to go ahead and do that. I also discovered this in these 9 months that there is much more to life than just sort of proving again something else. मैंने किया 2 साल तक, बहुत कामयाब है वो शो, और became very popular. It's very popular as among everybody.
But it's also been renewed for season 3. So
तो मेरा contract 3 साल का ही था. तो अब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ whether I will want to go back or not want to go back.
Because your character was afflicted by a virus in the show. तो आपको मार तो नहीं डाल रहे?
नहीं अभी ऐसा कुछ
नहीं. एकता कपूर शो, when she kills somebody in the show,
भी कर देते जी, तो मारी देंगे. अगर मैंने कंटिन्यू नहीं किया तो कुछ तो करेंगे, मार गए.
So in a way, you rediscovered your home country during this time, as well as your sort of.
Yeah, I think it is, and there are the kind of projects that I'm getting over here. Very interesting project, whether it's web series, whether it's movies, and what is the idea of writing a book about reinvention and positivity if you're not applying it to yourself?
Right.
You know, so that change has happened. I do not know how to. I think also it's a very cliched perception of people, of an actor, that he cannot be enlightened. You know, एक होता है यार ये एक्टर है तो बेसिकली इसको क्या है enlightenment से लेना. I'm not saying that I'm enlightened, but yes, there is a change that has happened, and I want to pick up that change and want to spread it all over the place. That's why my motivational lectures is about failure, is about power of failure. It's about being yourself. It's all derived. I say the same stories again and again. It's not that मैं कुछ नया करके आता हूँ. अभी ये मेरा इंटरव्यू इसका ये न्यूयॉर्क लिट फेस्टिवल में there is this boy, young in very great motivational speaker called Jay Shetty.
Right.
Yeah, so he has done my interview about this book. That was my first public platform with him. I was telling the same thing. I was saying that, as my grandfather used to say, when you are telling the truth, you don't have to remember it. वरना अभी प्रभु जी आप मैं बोलता कि मैंने लॉर्का को कोट किया बुक में, या मैंने जॉन पॉल सार्त्र के बारे में लिखा है, कोट किया, तो मैं बर्बाद हो जाता, बिकॉज मैंने नहीं किया. जो भी चैप्टर है आप कहीं से भी उठा लो, ये मेरे ही बारे में है और मैंने ही लिखा है इसमें. That's why in the acknowledgements also I have said thanks my cook also.
I know.
Because the way he has helped me, their positivity. फिर मेरे आसपास के लोगों को हुआ, अपार्ट फ्रॉम मम्मी को. मैंने एक दिन फोटो शूट किया था, जो ये किताब ये रोहन श्रेष्ठा ने मेरे साथ फोटो शूट किया था, नॉट फॉर अ बुक, ऐसे ही कर रहे थे हम. 2 दिन बाद उसका फोन आया, उसने कहा अनुपम जी मैं कोविड पॉजिटिव हो गया. मैंने कहा फिर मैंने टेस्ट करवाया. फिर हमारा जो कुक था वो थोड़ा बीमार हो गया, और वो फिर मैंने उसको टेस्ट करा, तो ही टर्न्ड आउट टू बी कोविड पॉजिटिव. So I have been escaping by the grace of God, and God has been kind.
So all the positivity. With the different kind of positivity.
Yeah, with the positivity. वो भागा था जब उसको वो म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन लेने आने वाले थे, तो they said हम आपको लेने आ रहे हैं. He thought लेके कहाँ जाने वाले हैं? Yeah, he picked up his bag and he started running on the street.
Then you went and got, yeah.
Yes, I ran behind him, chappal उतार के, and from far away he was saying, he was crying. I said, सुनो, तुम कहाँ जाओगे? बस में बैठोगे, ट्रेन में बैठोगे, तुम सबको ये टेंशन दोगे, ये बीमारी दोगे, तुम जाओ, मैं तुमको अच्छी जगह भेज रहा हूँ, फिक्र मत करो. And that's how this happened.
Anupam, you tested positive for everything else except COVID.
Corona.
Thank God.
That's a great line.
And then I discovered I have antibodies. So I'm sure I must have had it when my family had it, but it did not affect me by the grace of God. Yes, touch wood.
Right. This is the Deccan Literary Festival. I want to ask you one question. Most of the stars from South India have made a big name in Bollywood. And none of the famous North Indian actors have not been able to make that into that market. Is it because of language barrier or cultural barriers? What are the reasons for that? You must have. It's a big market.
I think this is what I can be completely wrong. And this side of the world, the cinema, we see actors as larger than life. Over there in South, also they are larger than that, but their connectivity is great. That's why they have temples in the names of these actors. That's why there is a madness about the fan following that Rajni sir has, or Kamal Hassan has, or Shivaji Ganeshan had, or even Khushbu had it. They have temples all over the place, or so many other people. They have stopped making those remakes of South Indian films now with the Indian actors. With the Indian, I'm saying with the Bombay actors. So I don't think they enjoy the same connectivity, and yet all the heroines, most of the heroines in South are Punjabi girls,
yeah,
or from other places. तो वो सारी बन जाती हैं हीरोइनें, मगर हीरोज जो हैं, whether it is Vijaykanth or whether it is Kamal Hassan or whether it is Ajit, they have to be originated from there. I don't think they will go and see an Amitabh Bachchan film, they will go and see a Akshay Kumar or Shah Rukh Khan film, but I don't think they will. मैंने हर language में एक film की है, except for Gujarati. I have done all language films. And my biggest hit was a Malayalam film called Pranayam.
Pranayam.
Yeah. But we will not be able to answer that question so specifically why the Bombay actor do not make it big in a language film.
Because Kamala Hassan and Rajnikant have done good Hindi films also, no?
Yes, of course, but not necessarily for a longer time. 1 or 2 films. Chachi 420 of Kamala Hassan was very good, but at the same time, Sagar didn't do very well. So I don't think they are much interested also in coming, and I don't think people from this place really want to do regional cinema to be popular.
Earlier female actresses from South India were the hits. They were in the top 10, top 5.
Absolutely. But now cinema has changed. Now it's completely different. I think मैं जब न्यूयॉर्क में या कभी-कभी बाकी जगह पे जाता था, मुझे बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लोग बोलते थे, कहते जी सिनेमा जो है 90s का बड़ा अच्छा था. हम जब आपकी फिल्में देखते थे ना, राम लखन, कर्मा या ये सब फिल्में, हमें बड़ा मजा आता था. Because at that time we were still selling dreams. That was the magic of Indian cinema. Now with realism coming in, it's more of that. That's why I don't think the stardom of actors will stay for more than 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You had Dilip Saab for 50 years. Then you have Amitabh Bachchan for 40 years. Then Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir for 25 years. Akshay, etc. I think in today's time, actors have to prove themselves after every single film. That's the system, because they are so exposed. We are so exposed by our social media. By एक picture कहीं लगती है तो everybody is a reviewer now in a cinema hall. पहले 15 मिनट के बाद ही दिखता था बकवास है.
You see, you made it interesting. I am reminded of a statement made by both Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan when I was doing Sidhi Baat with them. I asked Shah Rukh Khan one question, that you are the Khan, King, Badshah, and both are known by some names. So asked
Shahenshah
and Badshah. So I asked Amit ji, first I asked Shah Rukh Khan, why are you earning so much money? So you are known as the Basha or whatever. He said, मैं बहुत पैसा कमाऊंगा. You will see when I'll employ you as my employee. Buying आज तक at that time. So I'll remain. I said, you are 45. You are 45 at that time. Similar question I asked Amit ji. Amit ji, मैंने कहा भाई बादशाह बोलता है कि इसी है. कहता है ठीक है, he's a बादशाह. When let him come to my age, then I'll see where he is.
Point note, absolutely. That's why I always pride myself that मैंने 36 साल इस इंडस्ट्री में गुजारे हैं. जब भी कोई नया आता है ना तो वो कहता है अरे देखो, मैं कहता हूँ देखते हैं जब ये 36 साल गुजारेगा how relevant he or she will be. So
Amit ji at 78 is much more popular than.
Oh my God, it's a great inspiration for all of us.
As the youth have begun for him now.
Absolutely, no, you're right. Absolutely right. Relevance. कितने सारे actor आए. Also, I think what is important is how much do you want to sort of. You are not going to change cinema, or you are not the first person who has made it. मेरे से पहले संजीव कुमार को हम कितना याद करते हैं आजकल. हम कितना याद करते हैं. अभी ऋषि कपूर जी को गए मुश्किल से 3 महीने हुए. क्या हमने, हमारी जिंदगी इतनी फास्ट हो गई है. हम यस उनके घर वाले, उनके फैंस, उनके चाहने वाले उनकी कमी को महसूस करते हैं. बट यश चोपड़ा, very dear friend of mine, where do we remember him? So we are not here to write our names in golden names. Yes, we will be remembered later on on our birthdays. We will trend on our death days, etc.
But we do remember people like Raj Kapoor and Mohammad Rafi and whatnot. They're still in our age group, at least. They're still
in your age group. But today, sometimes if I don't keep myself relevant on social media or this thing, people will start asking कि आपकी last senior. One of the reasons of going to America was that they had started calling me thespian legend veteran. Most frightening thing they do. They do it with great dignity and great चढ़ा के आपको पले पे लटका देते हैं. Interested in lifetime achievement awards. Today I got a letter from him. I said, "What is lifetime achievement award? It's not get done."
When they run out of the award, they just choose one person for lifetime achievement award.
मैं लेता नहीं lifetime achievement award. चाहिए ही नहीं अपने. हम newcomer का award.
I want to ask you, since time is short, I want to ask you a question. You would like yourself to be known in the future as a great author or a great actor?
You know, author gives me a great high. When I'm introduced as, this is the most amazing interview that I'm being interviewed by you both for the book that I wrote.
Right.
मैंने जिंदगी में कभी नहीं सोचा था. मेरे कभी 38% से ज्यादा मार्क्स आए नहीं लाइक. तो अब मैं अपने प्रोफाइल में लिखता हूँ ऑथर, और भगवान की दया से किताबें चल भी रही हैं थोड़ी सी, तो इसलिए और भी मेरे को एक सेंस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं.
But बन गया ना आपको. You have got a tag of being an intellectual now.
It gives me a feeling of that मैंने कुछ अच्छा ही किया. मेरे स्कूल के टीचर्स के साथ मेरा बदला है, जो मुझे डंडे मारते थे, मुझे स्पेलिंग नहीं आती थी. But it gives me a nice feeling about it.
Anupam ji, one last question, because you mentioned death and you mentioned Sushant Singh Rajput also in one of your chapters. So I wanted to ask you, because you played father to him in a very emotional role it was in MS Dhoni. I wonder what your advice to him would have been if you had had known what he was going through, because clearly he was going through a huge crisis.
Not only to him, my advice to people who come to make it big in the city is that never give up. Giving up is not an option. And also it's people who are not only in this profession, for any profession, reach out to people when you're feeling lonely.
Right.
And also for the family members, they need to discover, they need to say, ये नहीं कहना कि अकेला पड़ा रहता है, बात ही नहीं करता किसी से. We need to reach out. I have myself gone through depression. I was in shooting in Birmingham for a film called Boy with the Top Knot. I used to stay, and I was going through the worst period of my life in terms of mental stability, etc. Because I used to get this major. So my whole night I used to sleep. I used to sit in the lobby and talk to people, etc., etc. So I think it's very important to reach out to people. It's very important to watch comic things on television. It's very important to talk. It's very important to share things. It's very, very important, and never give up. Maybe it's easy for me to say that, but that's the only way one has to go about it.
Right.
Giving up is not a choice. At success and failure, किससे नापते हो आप? अगर मैं यहाँ पर ये भी ड्रामेटिक बात है, बट ये सच बात है कि मैं 3 जून 1981 को लखनऊ से मुंबई आया था विद 37 रुपीज इन माय पॉकेट. From that point of view, I will always be a millionaire. But if I compare my last year's income tax return, then I will say, अच्छा इस साल कम हो गया. क्योंकि we are also living in a world of likes and dislikes on social media.
बिल्कुल.
Facebook पे कितने लोग आपके followers हैं, कितने आपके post को like करते हैं. The competition is constantly. It's always, the world is trying to make you feel always incompetent, that somebody else is doing better than you.
जी.
So I think the parents have to play a very important role. The spouses have to play a very important role in that.
Thank you so much. I think lockdown has made you not just an actor, author, but also a philosopher. So I think it's really a wonderful job that you've done. And Mr. Chawla, if you don't have a copy, Mr. Kher, if you can, pick up. Yeah.
Yes.
So please do.
My friends, please buy this book.
Please do read this.
5th of December, it will be available on in the bookstores, but it's already available on Amazon and Flipkart as a pre-order. Please do that, and it's important. Make me the most successful author.
Sure. But I would still like to have a copy from you, signed by you.
नहीं, मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ. आप मुझे अपना एड्रेस भेज दीजिए, मैं भेजता हूँ आपको.
मैं भेजता हूँ.
Thank you. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.